Good morning, student. Today we will start our new chapter, chapter 2, regional and the Roman numbers. So, beta, in this chapter, regional and Roman number, we have to learn about two types of number. First is regional and second is Roman. Regional is used means which is used in our region, means in Hindu we are Hindus na, so we are familiar with the numeral for the number 1 to 9999. You have already know how to write means in the first chapter we have learned about number up to 10,000, means you are very well familiar with these numbers, means you know very well how to write and read 9998, 4758, any number you can read and write. So all these numerals are called Hindu Arabic numerals or the international numerals. Clear beta? Means in this way 1, 2, 3, 4, these numbers are known as Hindu Arabic numerals, or you can say international numerals. But in some state, number formed by the digits other than these are also used. For instance, in Uttar Pradesh, numerals formed by these digits are commonly used. Means the table of the Hindu numerals from 1 to 100 is given below. Table is also given for you. Means in some state like Uttar Pradesh, so how to write 1 in Hindi numerals? Means you have to write like this, small 0 and like this. 2, how to write 2? 2, 0 and 3 write like this. 4, how to write 4? 4 like this. 5, this is 5, you can make like this also. 6, 7, this is your 7 in Hindi numerals. 8, 9, means in this number na, in 1, see the difference between 1 and 2. In 1, this 0 means 0 type is there, and then like this. In 2, there is no circle type and only this. And in 9, this like make this circle like this and now made this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This way of writing is known as Hindu Arabic, or you can say international numerals. And this one is your Hindi numerals. If you learn up to these 9 digits, you can write any numbers. Means if you write down, if you want to write down 4396, how can you write? How to make 4? 4 like this. And 3, 9, and 6. Clear? Any number you can write. So first you have to do practice of writing these numbers. 10, how to write 10? 10 means 1. How to write 1? 1 and 0. This is your 10 in Hindi numerals. Clear beta? So do practice of this regional numbers, means Hindi numerals, and second topic is your Roman numerals. Roman numerals means second is your Roman numerals. Roman numerals are Roman numerals are the numeral system that originated in ancient Rome. Clear, beta? Roman numerals are the numeral system that originated in the ancient Rome. Roman came from Rome. Rome country means. In this, there are some rules, beta. Means how to write down 1, 2. In Roman system, there are only 7 symbols for writing the numbers. Only 7 symbols. We have how many symbols in Hindi? And in Hindi, in our international system or Hindu-Arabic system, we have 9 digits. 9 symbols means. But in these Roman numerals, there are only 7 symbols. Only 7 symbols. Which symbol? 1, I and V, and then 10 means X, and then L, then C and D, and last one is M. These only 7 symbols in the Roman numerals. I, V, X, L, C, D and M. And we have to follow some rules for writing the Roman numerals. This I is for I stand for 1. V stand for 5. This X for 10. L for 50. C for 100 and D for 500 and M for 1000. You must learn these symbols, means how to write. Means 5, V stand for 5, X stand for 10, L stand for 50, C stand for 100, D stand for 500 and M stand for 1000. Clear, beta? Now, if I want to write 1 means you have to write like this 1, or simply this 1 I in Roman numerals, in Roman system of writing. And here is Hindu-Arabic. And now listen, beta. Then 2. How to write down 2? 2 means 1, 2. Means you have to repeat 2 times. 3 like this. 1, 2, 3. Clear? 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Is this right? No. This one is wrong. Means it takes maximum space also, and this is not a way of writing 4 in Roman numerals. You have to left this one first. Now 5 means how to write 5. One symbol is 4, no? 5, so V. 5. Clear, beta? Then for 6 means Roman numerals is depend upon addition. Means 5, 6 made by these numbers, 5 plus 1. So it follow the additional. 5 plus 1 means you have to write down 5 and 1. 5 plus 1, 6. Means how to write 6 in Roman numerals? 5, this V and then I. 6. Then how to write 7? 7 means 5, V, 5, 6, 7. How to write 8? 5, 6. This is for 5. This V symbol is for 5. 5, 6, 7, 8. Clear beta? Then 9. First left this 9. Now come to 10. 10. There is a symbol for 10. So 10 means X. Clear? Now I will tell you in next video how to write 9 and how to write 4.